Matis. Hi. What are you working on there? Oh, Cheerios. Oh, did that go too far? Here, let me grab it for you. Working on your dexterity and eating Cheerios. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, almost got it. It's very interesting. You're picking it up with your left hand, and then sometimes you transfer it to your right hand to eat it. I know. Or to try to eat it. Because it's kind of difficult right now for you. Yeah, I know. Oh, are you losing interest because I have the camera? Oh, I know. Well, you didn't transfer that one. It's kind of the hardest thing is, oh, you are transferring to the right hand. Yeah. Look, you have 2 more Cheerios. Should I get some more out for you? Yeah? Yeah. What do you think? Yep. Can you get it in your mouth? This is the... Oh, yeah. Transfer to the right. Oh, and dropped it. Too far away? Uh-huh. Thumb and forefinger. Good job. With your left hand. Are you going to be lefty? Oh, except... Oh. Ah. Oh, what is that? Are you sleepy now? Are you done with this eating thing? Uh-huh. Ska Rakim sitta? Sitta? Mm. Num num. Amsti. Amsti. Oj, aj, 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 aj. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. This is gonna be messy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Okay. You want it. Oh, you want it. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh no. You are armed. You are armed. Oh. You just wanted to eat it like that, huh? Oh, except it's still all on the spoon. Ay, ay. I know. Oh, ay, 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 ay. Oh. Sit that. Oh. Someone's getting tired. You actually ate the spoonful. Rum, 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 rum. Yum, yum, yum. Oh. Oh. Good spoon. Okay. Okay. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.